He is the only personality who never sleeps. The temple in Jagannath Puri is closed only for 2 hours a day. Generally the temples you'll find it's closed from 1 to 4 in the afternoon, or 12:30 to 4 in some places, and then 8:45 or 8:30, 8:45, some places 9 o'clock. The doors are closed and it's believed that the Lord is taking rest. And then the doors open at 3:30 or 4 o'clock in the morning. But if you go to Jagannath Puri even at 12:30 or 1 o'clock at night, you can go and see the Jagannath. He just takes rest for 2 hours. Now, the temple's closed for 2 hours. He doesn't rest during that time because it's believed during those 2 hours, the demigods come and see him. So 22 hours of the day, the humans, the mortals of this world go and take darshan. And then the demigods cannot share the same line, the same queue, the same space. So the 2 hours when Jagannath is unmanifest from our vision in the temple's closed, the doors are closed. The demigods, the celestial beings, the apsaras, the gandharvas, they come and take darshan. Now what's the proof that Jagannath doesn't sleep? Well, the fundamental logical reason is Jagannath doesn't have eyelids. He is the only form of Godhead who's so sweet, who's so merciful, that he wants to see his devotees without a single blink. Isn't that fascinating?